The world has become far too loud and chaotic. It is finally time for you to disappear and rebuild your life from the shadows. Constant noise and endless notifications pull your attention in every direction, leaving you feeling empty and without a true sense of purpose. Not to run away, but to build an empire in total silence. 2026 is coming. Will you stay mediocre or become truly unbeatable? Listen closely. The journey to your ultimate version starts now. Monk mode is activated. This is your rebirth through discipline in absolute silence. Rule number 1, vanish from social media. Do not announce your departure, just execute the plan. Your presence loses value when you are everywhere. Ghost the world to find yourself. Every post you share is a leak of energy that could be used for your growth and transformation. Rule number 2, protect your first hour. Before the world wakes up, you must claim your mind. No messages, no emails, no digital noise. Water is your fuel, and absolute focus is your weapon. How you handle your morning dictates how you will dominate the rest of your day. Deep reading builds the mental fortress needed to withstand the coming storms. Master your morning to ensure you remain the master of your fate. Disconnecting from the matrix allows your intuition to speak. Guard this time with your life, for it is the foundation of your future empire. Rule number 3, forge your body. Train until your physical self has no choice but to evolve into something stronger and far more resilient. Pain is only temporary, but the weakness of a soft body is a sin against your potential. Push past the limits of your comfort zone. Your body is a temple and discipline is the priest. When you master your physical form, you begin to master your mind and will. Rule number 4, deep work. 4 hours of absolute uninterrupted focus is worth more than 12 hours of pretending to be busy and distracted. Eliminate multitasking. It is a trap for the mediocre. Focus on one task with the intensity of a laser beam until it is finished. Become a monster of productivity. In the era of distraction, the ability to focus is a superpower that will put you miles ahead. Rule number 5, purge your social circle. Say no to meaningless gatherings. You are not lonely. You are being extremely selective with your energy. Those who are with you now may not be fit to stand with you at the peak of your success. Choose your tribe wisely. Rule number 6, master your impulses. Do not let momentary cravings or short-term desires destroy the grand, long-term vision you have planned. The winner is the one who can control themselves when no one is watching. Discipline is the highest form of self-love and respect. Every time you say no to an impulse, you say yes to your future self. Control your instincts or they will surely control you. Rule number 7, ruthless consistency. The greatest transformations happen quietly in the dark, far away from the applause in the public eye. Do not seek external validation. Let your results in 2026 speak for themselves. Work while they sleep and learn while they party and play. When you finally emerge from the shadows, they will not even recognize the person standing before them. You will be a complete stranger. Your transformation will be so profound that your past self will seem like a distant memory. This is the price of true greatness. Every single day is a brick in the wall of your empire. Never skip a day, never lose sight of the ultimate 2026 vision. Time is moving whether you act or not. Make sure that when 2026 arrives, you are standing exactly where you intended to be. The journey of disappearance starts today. Do not explain your moves to anyone. Do not make empty promises, simply take massive action now. If you are committed to becoming the unbeatable version of yourself, write "I commit" in the comments below. This is your public vow. We will meet again in 2026. You will be in a completely different position of power. Your time starts right now. Go.